I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Jaguar F-Pace, the first-generation model that has been turning heads since its launch in 2016. This luxurious crossover combines British elegance with sporty performance, making it a favorite among those who crave a blend of style and practicality on UK roads. However, like any vehicle, it has its share of issues that potential buyers should know about, and we will start with the most common ones reported by owners across Britain. Let us kick off with the AdBlue system, which is one of the most frequently encountered problems in diesel versions of the F-Pace. This emissions control system often suffers from sensor failures or crystallization in the tank, leading to warning lights and reduced engine power that can strand you on the motorway. Many drivers in the UK have reported costly repairs, sometimes exceeding £1,000, especially if the issue stems from poor quality AdBlue fluid or infrequent top-ups. Despite these woes, the AdBlue setup does contribute to the F-Pace's eco-friendly credentials, helping it meet stringent Euro 6 standards that are crucial for low-emission zones in cities like London. On the positive side, when functioning properly, it ensures smoother diesel performance with impressive fuel efficiency, often achieving around 40 miles per gallon on long drives. Owners appreciate this balance, but it is wise to budget for regular maintenance to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Moving on to another headache, infotainment crashes plague many first-generation F-Pace models, particularly those from 2016 to 2019. The touchscreen system can freeze, reboot unexpectedly, or fail to connect with smartphones, frustrating drivers during commutes or family outings. Jaguar has issued software updates to address this, but not all owners find them effective, leading to trips to dealerships that can cost a few £100s. That said, the infotainment interface, when it works, offers a sleek and intuitive experience with features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in later updates. It integrates well with the car's premium audio system, providing crystal-clear sound for those long journeys across the British countryside. Enthusiasts often praise how it enhances the overall luxury feel, making the cabin a tech-savvy haven. Beyond these, electrical gremlins are a common complaint, with issues like faulty batteries or wiring harnesses causing intermittent failures in lights, windows, or even the starter motor. In the damp UK climate, corrosion can exacerbate these problems, leading to reliability dips after about 50,000 miles. Repairs might set you back £500 to £1,000, depending on the severity. However, the F-Pace's electrical architecture supports advanced driver aids, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, which shine on twisty A roads. These features make it a safe and enjoyable drive, earning high marks in Euro NCAP crash tests. Many owners overlook the occasional glitches for the peace of mind these systems provide. Suspension woes also crop up frequently, especially with the adaptive dampers that can wear out prematurely on pothole-ridden British streets. Drivers report clunking noises or uneven handling, which might require replacing shock absorbers at a cost of around £800 per axle. This is more noticeable in models with larger wheels, amplifying the impact of rough surfaces. On the brighter side, the F-Pace's suspension delivers a dynamic ride that corners like a sports car, while absorbing bumps comfortably for an SUV. It strikes a great balance between agility and comfort, ideal for spirited drives through the Lake District. Enthusiasts love how it feels planted and responsive, setting it apart from bulkier rivals. Engine reliability varies, but diesel variants sometimes face turbocharger issues or EGR valve failures, leading to loss of power and expensive fixes upwards of £2,000. Petrol engines are generally more robust, though they can suffer from timing chain stretches in higher mileage examples. Regular servicing at authorized Jaguar centers in the UK is key to mitigating these risks. Positively, the range of engines offers something for everyone, from the efficient 2-litre diesel with strong torque for towing caravans to the punchy supercharged V6 for thrill seekers. Fuel economy is respectable, and the all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip on slippery winter roads in Scotland or Wales. This versatility makes the F-Pace a practical choice for diverse UK driving conditions. Transmission problems, such as jerky shifts in the 8-speed automatic gearbox, affect some early models, often due to software glitches or fluid degradation. Owners in urban areas like Manchester report hesitation during acceleration, which can be resolved with a transmission flush costing about £400. Ignoring it might lead to more severe wear over time. Yet, when tuned right, this gearbox is smooth and quick-shifting, enhancing the car's sporty character on open roads. It pairs beautifully with the F-Pace's lightweight aluminium construction, delivering nimble performance that belies its size. Drivers often rave about the engaging drive, comparing it favorably to more expensive German competitors. Build quality issues, including rattling interiors or creaky door seals, are noted by some owners, particularly in cars exposed to the UK's variable weather. Water ingress around the sunroof or boot can cause mold or electrical shorts, with repairs potentially reaching £700. These niggles detract from the premium feel Jaguar promises. Countering that, the cabin materials are top-notch, with supple leather and aluminium accents that exude luxury. The spacious interior accommodates families comfortably, with ample boot space for weekends away in the Cotswolds. It is these touches that keep loyal fans coming back despite the imperfections. Brake wear is accelerated in stop-start city driving, with pads and discs needing replacement every 20,000 to 30,000 miles, at a cost of around £500. Some report squealing or vibrations, linked to the car's weight and powerful stopping system. This is a common gripe in reviews from London commuters. Nevertheless, the brakes provide confident, fade-free performance essential for high-speed motorway runs or emergency stops. Paired with the F-Pace's stable handling, they contribute to its 5-star safety rating. Safety-conscious buyers appreciate this reliability in critical moments. Fuel system glitches in diesels, beyond AdBlue, include injector failures that cause rough idling or starting issues, often remedied for £1,000 or more. Petrol models might see fuel pump problems in older units. Vigilant maintenance helps, but it is a recurring theme in owner forums. The upside is the F-Pace's refined power delivery, making it a joy for long-distance cruising, with minimal noise and vibration. Its aerodynamic design aids efficiency, helping keep running costs down compared to thirstier SUVs. This efficiency appeals to budget-savvy luxury seekers. Exhaust system corrosion, especially in coastal areas like Cornwall, can lead to leaks or failures, costing £600 to fix. The diesel particulate filter, DPF, clogs if short trips dominate, triggering limp mode. Urban drivers in Birmingham often face this. Positively, a well-maintained exhaust ensures compliance with UK MOT standards and maintains the car's throaty growl. It enhances the driving experience without excessive noise pollution. Owners value this subtle performance edge. Finally, resale value holds up reasonably well, with used examples starting from £15,000 for a 2016 model up to £40,000 for low-mileage ones. However, high repair costs can dent this if problems pile up. It is a car that rewards careful ownership. In conclusion, the Jaguar F-Pace first generation suits discerning drivers who prioritize style, performance, and luxury over bulletproof reliability, such as professionals tackling daily commutes or families seeking a versatile SUV for UK adventures. It might not be ideal for those on a tight budget due to potential maintenance expenses, but for enthusiasts willing to invest in upkeep, it offers a rewarding ownership experience. If you are in the market, weigh these pros and cons carefully. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.